Sahasra Goal. My goal was to make a home alarm. There is a buzzer that turns on with an ultrasonic sensor. Design. The buzzer turns on when your hand gets really close to the ultrasonic sensor and all LED lights turn on. The button stops the alarm and the buzzer will not beep. Build. I used 15 wires, 5 LED lights, 7 resistors, 1 piezo buzzer, 1 ultrasonic sensor, and 1 button. Program. So up here, that's where the pins are connected. And this is just the setup. And then over here, it's basically turning it on. And then false means like the LED lights will turn off, and true will turn them on. And then this, that means that if you click the button, then all of them will turn on and it will restart it. Test. I tested my program around 15 to 20 times. 2 problems that I ran into was that a wire was connected on the wrong pin or a LED light was not plugged in all the way. Rethink. If I had more time, I would change the colors of the LED lights. Test. As you can see, when you go closer, it beeps, and then you can click the button to restart it. And then
You want to show it from far away?
right, so it goes closer and the LED lights slowly turn on. And then when it reaches all of them, the buzzer turns, the beep starts, and then you can click the button to